Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. All right, so we've had this trading box for a while. Bulls took it up, engaged the upper Bollinger Band on the daily chart. They're bringing it back in to test the top of the box. Let's get over on the hourly chart here, because as the week develops, so tomorrow you've got the Fed. Friday you've got jobs. You got a bunch of econ in between. You can see down here we got the new weekly pivot 41.5108, new monthly pivot 52.58, and that's jammed in with our old friends, the 20-day, the daily mid-band, the 9-day, and it's all slammed in here around 41.50. Okay, you see the hourly mid-band acting as resistance over the course of Globex last night. You can see they tried to pop it a little bit there off Europe Open. That rejected, and they did 91.5 down to Globex low is sitting about 74.25. So came off, not quite 20 handles. We saw yet another attempt by the Bulls to take out 4,200 yesterday, and it basically went the way every other time they try to take 4,200 out. It didn't work. So as we get into these bigger catalysts this week, one of a couple things is going to occur. Either the Bulls are finally going to figure out 4,200, we're going to get over the top of it and stay over the top of it, and that opens things like 42.33, 42.50, things like that. Or the Bears are going to find their way through. I'd be very surprised if during the course of this week we did not trade down to this massive area, okay? There's just too much there not to give it a look. The question is what happens after we get there. The biggest problem the Bears have right now is, when they pull this stuff in, there just continues to be a bid. Now, there's all kinds of bids in this world. Is it an anticipatory bid because of the Fed? Is it an anticipatory bid because of, the econ this week or whatever? You know what? It doesn't fucking matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Stop looking for why. Get your head on the chart. Stop wondering why this, that, or the other thing. So look, when we get down here, it's a number with a lot of inflection points. It's a massive bull-bear line. At least it is for me. If the Bulls can't figure, if the Bears can't figure it out down here, it's going to turn into another higher low. Remember, this is where they tested and really rejected off of it on Friday to kind of run it up and follow up with what they had done on Thursday. But other than that, we're really, if they break, and let me finish my thought. If they break it down from here, you have a real chance to go back to 4,100, where the Bears have looked as bad at 4,100 as the Bulls have looked at 4,200. We're still really just in this box. We're playing with the edges of the box, but we're still just in the box. So, taking all that aside, we just remain. We're, in the hourly, we're consolidating. Look at the Bollinger Bands. On the daily, we're consolidating. We're still basically in this box. So is the next leg of this tape going to get figured out this week? Probably. You have enough catalyst to set up the remainder of May if it wants to. If it wants to. Otherwise, we stay between, basically 4,100 with little dips below, 4,200 and little dips above, and there's enough elbow room in between to get it done. But I would not overtrade these days that don't want to do a whole heck of a lot, and there's going to be some days that don't want to do much, kind of like Monday, Tuesday last week. And you'll get your directional stuff, and it'll come back. But save your brain cells, save your capital for when the tape wants to move a little bit more. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Talk to you tomorrow.